Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a project in Claude Code desktop app version. Now, just to clarify, I'm not talking about the Claude Code web version, and also I'm not talking about the Claude Code CLI. So this is a tutorial for the desktop app version of Claude Code, which has this nice interface. And actually there is no dedicated menu that you can use to delete a project in the project list of Claude Code, which is kind of strange, but there is one workaround that you can try. So let's say I have this project called local grammar checker, and it contains these files. So this is what's inside local grammar checker. Now I'm going to delete that project. One simple way that you can try is by just deleting the chats under that project. Now I'll talk about if you have multiple chats under that project, but if you have only one or two chats, then you can just click the three dot icon and then click delete and then click delete again. And there you go. So the project has been removed from the list, but the codes are saved. The files that were generated from the chats under that project should be saved. They should be stay on your repo, on your computer perhaps. So you're not deleting your code bases, you're just deleting the project from the list. Now, what will happen if you have multiple chats? I mean, it can be quite exhausting. So one option that you could try is by just selecting multiple chats at once. So for example, here there is a project called mdas, and I can just press or click one chat, and then I'm going to press and hold the shift key on my keyboard and then click the last chat, and it should select all the chats in between, and then you can right click on any of them and then click delete, and then followed by the number of the items or chats that will be deleted. Now I'll just click delete again and then delete. And there you go. So that chat is gone. Actually, the project is gone. Again, it is not removing the code. It is not removing anything from your repos or perhaps on your computer. It is just removing the project from the project list in Claude Code. So it's kind of shame that we don't have a dedicated button to delete a project right now, but I'm hoping that in the near future, we will have that option in Claude Code desktop app. But anyway, I hope you learned something from this video. And if you want to see some really cool things that you can do with AI, then you can subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.